Hey everybody, Nathan Soliday here with Brixton Realty in Southern Indiana and homes812.com. And I wanted to bring some pictures up of the most expensive house that is currently listed in Indiana right now. I ran across this listing yesterday, and it is definitely an interesting property, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to kind of show you some of the details of that. So if you want to check it out, you can go over to homes812.com. That is my website, and we cover Southern Indiana real estate. But this website has homes all over the state in Indiana. But if you want to see the most expensive one right now, you can just simply just go to the search bar and click search, and it's going to pull up listings all over the state. And then if we just go over here to sort and we do highest price, the very first one is the most expensive listing in Southern Indiana right now. This house is located in Santa Claus, Indiana. Santa Claus is in the south central part of the state, and if you're familiar with Southern Indiana at all, Santa Claus is known for its theme park over there. It's called Holiday World. It's got a lot of cool roller coasters, and it's a great attraction for the area. And there's people that come from all over the Midwest to visit Holiday World and see what's out there. But that is where this house is located, and the list price is $47,900,000. 15 bedrooms, 19 baths, almost 60,000 square feet under roof. So let's take a look at some of the pictures here. So you can kind of see the front. It's a log style home. It's got the statue out front here, and we're going to look at those in just a second. You can see the listing is it's actually listed by Kara Hinshaw, and she's with Key Associates in Southern Indiana, one of their offices there. You can kind of see some of the details of the property as far as square footage as far as the above ground. It's got a basement of 8,000 square feet. No, excuse me, great unfinished 8,800 feet above ground. And then you can see some of the other details about it. Four fireplaces, some of the size, but I thought this was interesting too. So it's definitely an estate property. It has approximately 550 acres with this property. And then if you're curious what the tax bill might run for a property there in Santa Claus, Indiana, $28,000 a year, which actually seems pretty cheap, honestly, for in comparison for what the property is. But that's what the website has it listed for. So let's check out some of the pictures of the property, and so you can kind of see what you would get for your $48 million price tag. You can see this great drone overhead view here. You got the lake in the back. You've got the 550 acres all around it, and you've got the circle drive, and you can see the main living quarters here as far as that goes. And then you can start to see that it's a log style home with big windows. As far as the inside, it's a beautiful log home, but it's kind of standard for what a log home is just by these pictures. But there's a lot more to this property than just the main house itself. But again, this is beautiful with the fireplaces, the soaking tub, uh, master master bedroom here with the fireplace, and just a beautiful setting. And then you've got the big tree stables on the property. So you've got one of the outbuildings here, beautifully landscaped, and you can see some more of the pictures. You get back to that outbuilding there. It's kind of a gathering place. It looks like they've got a stage on here, karaoke maybe, and things like that. But really a nice place for a get together, or even a wedding or anything along those lines. See the game room, and then this was really neat. I thought kind of has a retro look as it comes out from one of the buildings. You got the two old style gas pumps here, Texaco station memorabilia, and then inside you've got a diner. So you've got the diner decorated up with some Elvis and Beatles memorabilia and things like that, and definitely throws you back to the 50s there with the diner look and that type thing. It's really cool. I mean, it's really a neat touch for the property. You can see again where the gas pumps were here on this part of the building. With that again, the lake. that's there, which is unbelievable. It's got the gazebo. There's a picture of here in just a second. You got the roads coming through, paved everywhere. It is definitely a beautiful state here in southern Indiana. You see the garage, spotless. As far as that goes, you could eat off the floors with that. It's got a lift for a vehicle, and then you see some more of that. You got the gazebo there, walking out over the lake. A lot of walking trails, some statues, tennis court, and some really just neat touches on a property that you may not see every day. So the question is it worth $48 million? That'd be the question. If you could get 550 acres, have a private estate all to yourself, would that be worth that price tag? That's the question I wanted to ask today. Um, we didn't get to the pool yet, but the pool is a really beautiful setting with the pool house over here to the side, and then kind of the bar, TV, and that type thing. But yeah, the question is it worth $48 million? So I got to thinking about that. So we do mortgage work, and we write loans along with real estate. So then I got to thinking, okay, at $48 million, what kind of payment would somebody be looking at on that? So let's just assume you're going to put 20% down on a house. So you're going to pull out $10 million and put down on this property. Hopefully, you can get them down on the asking price just a little bit. But as we start to put some zeros in here and we get to $38 million loan amount, you can see on a 30-year fixed rate the approximate payment for principal and interest, if you were at 6.5 percent on the interest rate, would be around $240,000 every month for the next 30 years. So if you've got that kind of cash laying around and that kind of down payment, and you'd like to take a look at this property, I would love to show it to you. But I thought it was kind of fun just to kind of see what a payment like that would be. So thanks for watching the video. Hey, share the video and like it if you don't mind. Send it to somebody that you think may like to see the pictures of this property. And if you're ever in Southern Indiana and you like to take a look at a home here, I'd love to help you with that. Again, my name is Nathan Soliday, Brixton Realty, and homes812.com is a great place to find other listings in the area that may be right for you. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.